Logistical supply to the operational theatre has always been a challenge in military history, putting lives and missions at risk. In recent years, it became obvious that fuel and water supply are creating an unnecessarily large logistical footprint with ever-increasing costs. The NATO Science for Peace and Security programme has arranged an advanced research workshop where civilian and military smart energy experts from NATO and partner nations will evaluate the integration of the latest technology into this logistical exercise. The workshop has been organised with the support of the NATO Energy Security Centre of Excellence in Lithuania.
The Centre of Excellence of Energy Security is a relatively new organization. It was established in 2012. Energy efficiency is a great part of our portfolio, in addition to critical infrastructure protection and strategic awareness raising in the area of energy security. Whenever you talk smart energy, you talk energy efficiency. You increase your maneuverability, military increases their resiliency, the safety of troops is increased, the logistic load is decreased. There is a wide scope and variety of technologies that is already available and being used by the private companies that can be easily adopted to the military life. This is the golden triangle, the cooperation between the military, industry and academia.
At the end of the workshop, they will submit recommendations on using smart energy based on what has been learned.
I'm one of the co-directors. We have two of them and we prepared it since month at least. I had some questions on evaluation of technologies and to see how could we observe what's happening here in Hungarian workshop. I think it will be very interesting. It's interesting to see how the military looks on research and on innovation. And from my point of view, it's interesting what are the needs of an army. And the next step is then bringing in the industry with their products and understanding how the needs of an army work together with standards in the civilian life.
Exchange ideas with our partner nations as part of a NATO logistics exercise. Specifically, some of the things we're talking about is how to develop technologies and exchange ideas to reduce fuel and water demand on the battlefield.
What we're doing here is we're pushing energy security to the forefront. We're making it a planning consideration up front as opposed to an afterthought once you're on the battlefield. I think this workshop has already had a positive effect in the smart energy space. I think it gets the member nations thinking about how they can better apply smart energy characteristics and equities in their planning factors, in their planning phase.
First, we have Capable Logistician 2015 that brings this subject at a new level. In what way? It brings the integration effect of the different technologies, procedures, methods that could be tested in an integrated manner. I think the next step should be standardizing the best practices in terms of new technologies, new materials, new procedures. We have to bring them all together.